Before we begin, we suggest using headphones so you can enjoy every word and detail with excellent audio quality. So, let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the timeless wisdom of Neville Goddard's book, Be What You Wish. This book is all about understanding the power of imagination and belief in shaping your reality. Sounds intriguing, right? Well, stay tuned because I'm going to break down the key lessons you can use to manifest your dreams and make the life you desire. Point 1. The Law of Assumption. First up, we have the Law of Assumption. According to Neville Goddard, whatever you assume to be true becomes your reality. Now, this isn't just wishful thinking. It's about believing something so deeply that it becomes a part of your life. Imagine waking up every day assuming you're already living your dream life. How do you think that would change your actions, thoughts, and feelings? It's all about having faith that what you want is already on its way. Point 2. Your beliefs shape your reality. Next, let's talk about how your beliefs shape the world around you. Goddard explains that our thoughts and inner beliefs create our external reality. For example, if you constantly think that success is out of your reach, that belief can hold you back. But if you shift that mindset and start believing success is inevitable for you, your world will start aligning with those beliefs. It's about seeing the world not just as it is, but as it could be, based on what you believe. Point 3. The power of meditation. Another key point Goddard emphasizes is the power of meditation. Meditation is more than just relaxing. It's a way to focus your mind and imagination on your desires. Through regular meditation, you can quiet the noise of the outside world and tap into your subconscious. When you meditate, you can visualize your dreams coming true and feel the emotions of that reality. The more you practice, the more control you have over your thoughts and eventually your life. Point 4. Feeling is the secret of success. Here's a big one. Feeling is the secret to successful prayer and manifestation. Goddard teaches that it's not enough to just pray or think about what you want. You need to feel as if it's already happened. The emotions you feel while imagining your desires are powerful. When you truly feel the emotions of success, abundance, or love, your mind and body begin to align with those feelings, and that energy starts attracting what you desire. Point 5. Your imagination can change your life. Lastly, Goddard talks about how imagination is the key to creating the life you want. Your imagination is like a creative tool. It helps you envision the future and bring those dreams into your present. By consistently focusing on positive thoughts and imagining your desires as already true, you can literally transform your reality. It's all about making your imagination your greatest ally in shaping the world around you. Conclusion. So, to wrap it all up, Neville Goddard's Be What You Wish is all about understanding the immense power of your mind and imagination. By assuming what you want is already true, shifting your beliefs, using meditation to focus, and feeling the emotions of success, you can start to create the life you've always wanted. Remember, the power to manifest your dreams lies within you. All you need to do is believe, feel, and imagine. Our journey with this video ends here. If you want to watch the long summary video of this book, click on the link in the description. And if you want to purchase this book, the purchase link is also available in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Minibook, and follow us on Facebook as well, because we will keep creating similar videos for you regularly. See you in the next video. Until then, stay happy and keep smiling.